welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this BMW Mini key. As you can see, just check the key out and make sure this is exactly the same as yours before you do it. We'll pop that down a minute. Today we're going to need a 2032 battery. These are quite a common one and they're available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. Okay, we press this little silver button in here and then just pull out the end. That reveals your emergency key. Should this remote fail, you need to get in your car. This is your access key. Normally on the near side, passenger side, around the door handle, maybe under a cap, but double check because it varies from model to model. We'll pop that down, and today we're going to need a small screwdriver. Now there is a little indentation here, so if we just go in there, just put your thumb here and just slowly lever it up. It is a little bit tight coming off this, and you'll hear it snapping as it's coming off. Sounds like it's going to break, but it is quite robust, but again it is plastic, be careful. So we'll pop that to one side. Now your battery is located under here, so we just go in at the edge here and we flick that up. Now this panel I'm taking out here, this will only go in one way. I'll show you in a second. And that reveals your battery. The battery is a 2032, as I said earlier. Just flick that up. Okay, we'll put that down a second. This is your 2032 battery. Positive side is labelled on there. Smooth side is always the positive side. Negative side is slightly domed at the edges. So we'll just get the new battery. And here's one I've taken out of the packet earlier. So if we just hook that in at the bottom, again we're going in negative side down, positive side up. We'll place that in there. Now, as I said about this panel, when you're going back on, there is a little tab there, as you can see. That has to go in first at the front there, in the centre, and that clips into place. We get the rear of the key and line everything up, and that just snaps back into place. And then your emergency key goes back in the end, and that's it, job done. That's the battery changed on your Mini key. Hope this was helpful for you today. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.